Assalamu alaikum 10th class. Exercise number 5.5, lecture number 19 and question number 2. If y is equal to if y is a set consisting of elements minus 2, 1 and 2, then make two binary relations for y into y. Also find their domain and range. Before taking a start, we have to understand what is a binary relation. Let A and B be two non-empty sets, whereas set A consists of two elements A, B, and set B consists of 1, 2. The Cartesian product of A into B is A1, A2, B1, and B2. It's four ordered pairs. Now you can see I have taken out 16 relations which are subset of the Cartesian product of A into B. We can say each relation is a subset of A into B. R is called the binary relation from A into B because there exists some relation between first and second element of the each ordered pair in relation. Now back to the point. First of all, we will find out y into y. Set y consists of three elements minus 2, 1 and 2. Minus 2, 1 and 2. Now the Cartesian product is a set consisting of all the ordered pairs in which in each ordered pair first element belongs to first set and the second element belongs to second set. Our first element is minus 2. I am starting with minus 2, which is the first element of set y, and the first element of the second set, which is also minus 2. So first ordered pair is minus 2, minus 2. Both the elements are coordinator of each other. Now again minus 2, 1, minus 2 and 2. Then taking 1 as the first element, 1, minus 2, 1, 1. Then 1, 2. Now third element is 2, 2, minus 2, 2, 1 and 2, 2. So now we have to find out two binary relations for y into y. I am just taking two relations from this set. It is up to you how many ordered pairs you can take. I am taking only two ordered pairs to make my first relation. So R1 is consisting of only two ordered pairs, whereas relation 2, for relation 2 I am taking any three ordered pairs from the product of y into y. You can take any ordered pair for making a relation. Now what is domain? Domain of a relation is denoted by domain of R1. It consists of first element of each ordered pair in the relation. In this relation I have two ordered pairs in which minus 2 and 1 are the first element of ordered pairs. So the set consisting of first element of ordered pair in a relation is called domain of the relation. Similarly, domain of relation 2 is a set consisting of first element of each ordered pair. 2 is repeated in both the ordered pairs, so I am taking 2 only for one time. Now range. Range is a set which is denoted by range. Range of relation 1. Range is the second element of each ordered pair of a relation. In this relation I have 2 ordered pairs, whereas -2 is the second element of both the pairs. So I am taking -2 only one time. Similarly, range for relation 2 is equal to a set consisting of second elements of relation 2. Here the second element is -2. It is repeated, so I am taking only one time -2, and 2 is the second element of ordered pair. So our question is completed. Now you have to do question number 1 by yourself. Allah Hafiz till tomorrow.